Well, y'all, welcome back to Christmas Garage. We're down here at the shop today, and they tell me there's a storm blowing in. So we got something we need to work on. Y'all hang out. What we got here is a Predator 6500 germinator. E120 model unit. This just so happens to be the Christmas Garage small engine sales and service division. Today only. Alright, so what we got here is a new Chinese carburetor, and there's the stock original equipment carburetor. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up on this thing, let y'all hear how she's running. Right there. Now what? Look now. Are you looking? Right here. With on. No choke. All the choke. Well, she run out of gas. I forgot I had the gas valve turned off. But as you can see, when you modulate the old chocolator completely off, she goes to hunting. My granddaddy would say she's hunting rabbits. But if you give her a little choke back, it'll smooth right out. Well, I done took the blasted carburetor off of it a couple of years back and cleaned it and acid washed it and bead blasted it, you know, whole 9 yards. And I just soaked it in racing fuel overnight and blew it out there hose. Still doing it. That's fine. No big deal. So what we did, we went on to old eBay down there and brought us a new carburetor. It's supposed to be for this particular unit right here. Had them deliver it to old Christmas Garage small engine division, and I hadn't started on it. I don't remember how it comes off. I got me a 10mm socket out and a ratchet handle, and we're gonna go to it, and I'm gonna take y'all along for the whole ride. It's probably gonna be a long one. I'm gonna prop y'all up vicinity. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I know about this thing. There's your pit shock for your gas. That's your supply line. This is your wires that go down to the bottom of the carburetor right here. That's your pop off right here. There's supposed to be a hose go from here down to the breather. That has since disintegrated and fell off. We're gonna clean on this here filler, put that back in. That's fine. Yeah, got these two bolts right here. Take them off. Look at the little baby wobble extension. First thing you're gonna want to do is go ahead and come in here and unhook your brake booster hose. Lay that off to the side. Don't need that. Stitch all back right there. And we're gonna go to wrenching on this thing. Make sure you go ahead and lose all this hardware. Probably need to clean on that. We have got some disintegration going on down here. You see that? She is crispy. Looks like it's been leaking too. That's fine. No big deal. We go ahead and unhook on this gas hose right here. I got some new hose in the crook, but I don't know if it's the right size. I might have to go to O'Reilly's and get some 3/16. Now we got the undo them boogers. God only knows how that comes apart. You just pull on something until it breaks. How about that? Get them little clippages out of the way. Alright, another little one of them little clippages. You just bink that out till it turn loose. I had to come in here and figure out this mess. How these hoses hook up right there. I'm gonna figure that mess out. That goes to the float bowl. Some kind of needle in that thing. Y'all don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. I got a right good feeling this is gonna be like everything else I work on. It ain't gonna fix it. What is that? Right there, mostly. Oh, it's a little bendy. It's just a little bendy wire thingy. Go ahead and unplug on this. Uh-oh. Go ahead and unplug on this. Alright. Now, hit your carburetor. You come right here and slash. Easy. Easy now. Alright. And pop that thing up out. And hook a eyes on that. Where's that choke button? Yep. First discovery. See right here? You got to take this flat head screw out, take this handle off, and transpose it to the new unit. Yeah, this thing probably ain't never gonna run again. But that's fine, it's just a learning experience. Those of us that are idiots. I'm gonna take some of this here. I'm gonna acid wash this flange. Just get in there and media blast all the, you know, all the bad stuff off we don't need. You know, have a, you know, machine shop finish right here on this. It seems fine. Yep. Looks good for my house. Let me go get a flathead screw stick. On a side note, you see where that exhaust hole was pointing? It pointed right in the shop. I have done filled the shop slam full of carbon peroxide poisoning. lightheaded when you go in there. Alright. Y'all see what I'm doing? Unscrew this screw right here on this thing. Take that handle off. And gently set that carburetor off to the side, because I'm probably going to have to put it back on, because I know this new one ain't going to work. Go ahead and media blast this handle off. That's good enough. Alright. See that thing right there? It fits down in that slot right there. Okay. Now, I think we are ready to go back together. No way. They sent us a piece of hose, a filler, and a new choke handle. We're gonna run the original equipment. Take it back off. Oh, now we got some gasketries. I think that's it. Yeah, see, they send you a couple of different flavor gaskets. That's the one that come off of it. Got the new one slid up on there. Box of jewels out of the way. And you go ahead and hooks just on that back up. Like so. And we're gonna run over here. Hook these hoses up. I got to take the front panel off and do some electrical work on this thing, but I'm just gonna let those dangle for right now. I'll dress them up when I get the electrical panel off the front of it. Alright. It looks to me like this thing's had a little heat on it at some point, because that almost looks melty, but I'm not 100% sure. But it's nasty inside, so I'm just gonna not spend a lot of time on it. I mean, we ain't nothing nice down here, so I'm gonna go ahead and media blast the back of this thing. Alright, that looks good enough. Sent me this new piece of hose. It's just the right length to hook up on there. But this piece of hose that I had looks to be in better shape to me. So I think I'm going to reuse it. But I am going to put this little filter in line that they gave us. That's cute. When you put these filters in, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's an arrow right there. That's your float. That always goes towards your motor. Alright. Let's go get some. Got a few. Let's go get some zip ties and put on these connections. Alright. There's a bolt missing right here, and there's a bolt missing right here, but I can't take it no more. Let's see if she's running, John. It's definitely running a lot better than it was. It still smooths out when you give it a little choke. Well, I was trying to say something and the battery died, but anyway, I don't know if y'all can tell. It's running better. It still smooths out when you give it a little bit of choke, but anyway, I think it's gonna be fine. It was running good under load like it was, but if y'all know why that is, leave a comment down there, let us know. But I got the pop off hooked back up, got the brake booster hooked back up, found me a bolt, put in that right there, and then I don't know where that bolt is, so I did the right thing. I just went ahead and put a zinc tie on that. That'll be fine. Still got to pull the electrical panel off the front, get that finished. There's some loose wires hanging out on this thing I need to button up. Been getting on my nerves, but I think she's in good running shape. I need to change the oil in it. I don't think I'm gonna video that, but till next time, appreciate y'all watching Christmas Garage. Y'all have a good one.